Do you have a top fan badge on a Facebook page that you don't want to display? I'm Sheryl Loch with Ginger Roots Media, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video. If you have become a top fan of a page and got the notification to accept, you clicked accept, but now you don't want that badge to show next to your name when you leave comments and things. We can go in and you can turn that off yourself. So just because you've already accepted it doesn't mean you are stuck with it forever. There's a little workaround. It's kind of a mess to find, but once you see how easy it is, you'll be able to go and do that yourself. So let's head on over to Facebook, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can go in and make sure that even though you're a top fan, you can turn that badge off and no one will even know it. So let's head over to Facebook. Okay, here we are on a Facebook page for one of my local news stations, which I did make top fan status. I went in and accepted the badge so we can see how to turn that off. Go to the page where you're a top fan and scroll down until you see top fan on anyone's comment. I happen to make a comment so that I could get to it easily. Go ahead and click where it says top fan. And it asks if you would like to see all top fans. Click yes. Now here you'll be able to see all the top fans for that page. And next to your name, you have an on and an off. If you click to turn it off, it states, if you stop displaying your top fan badge for the page name, no one will see the badge or your top fan status. It may take some time for the badge to stop appearing on existing posts. So once you click this, it doesn't mean all of your posts will immediately have the top fan badge removed. Give it a little time. If you don't see your name at the top of this list, it could be that your top fan status is no longer there. Maybe you haven't been posting as much, or whatever you were doing, you're no longer a top fan anyway. If you want to know how top fans work, I'll link to a video. So you can turn it on and off right back here. Okay, so there you are. Now you can go in, turn off that badge if you want. If you want to turn it on, you can do that too. It's up to you. And there's no set reason why someone wants it on or wants it off. That's totally up to you. You get to decide what you display. Thanks for watching. Be sure to click subscribe. And if you have questions about Facebook, let me know and I'll try to answer them for you.